Have you ever wondered why so many people actually sell through their Facebook groups, but you're not getting the results that you would expect? I'm going to give you 5 types of content for Facebook group that does convert. How and where to put your promotions, we're covering in this video. Welcome back to another episode with Facebook group trainings. Today we're covering 5 types of content that do convert in Facebook groups. So you can promote your business products, whatever the purpose and use of your Facebook group is. If you haven't seen the previous trainings, I'm linking them to this video so you can grow the conversion from the types of content we're covering in this video. First type is pin post. It can be any type of post, the text only, photos, videos, maybe even audio. The point of that is the main post, no matter where that person is coming from, are they new, are they coming back, are they going directly to group they're searching. When they go inside, this is the first post they will always see. You want to maybe address what the Facebook group is about, what are the main rules, how should people feel or treat the group. The message is up to you. People have to feel welcomed and they need to find the major information around. That's why, since this is the always first post they will see, it's good if you put your, I would say, building list kind of offer inside. I wouldn't promote any paid products right here. You want to put value first because a lot of people may be new, they don't know you. So build that know, like, and trust and rapport first before you start offering anything. So what type of group this is, where they are, what should they expect, who you are. Give them an opportunity to join your email list and how to contact you. It can be very effective way how you can connect with the audience and actually start communicating with that person on that specific problem that they have. If you're targeting right and everything is set up the right way so you actually attract the right audience to your group, this is a perfect place where they can start. The way you pin your post, you easily go to editing section of your post, and then the drop down menu, it directly offers you to pin the post to the group. Second type of content are units, something I have mentioned before, because Facebook groups can be treated as online membership sites. You can put there your courses, your lessons, your trainings in any type of form. You can pre-record, you can go live, you can do presentations, anything that helps to solve the problems that your audience in your group have. So more in-depth expertise, and you can help that engagement so much more. The units are place where it works the best for a long time. It's comparing to YouTube, where you have the evergreen content. People are searching for the videos and topics all the time. If you have evergreen content, something that people will search for in a year or two, then you drive traffic all the time, and this is how units work as well. So when people enter your group, you don't have to create new content constantly all the time. It's there, it sits there, and people can go through your units as multiple topics, courses, trainings that you can do that will help you to educate your audience. So there are 2 ways how you can create it. You can go directly to units, create one, and start adding different parts that will be like subheading to the main topic of the unit. Second way you can do it is go directly to any video you've already created on your Facebook group. And again, in the drop-down menu, when you go edit that post, it offers you to add it to either new unit and create one, or add it to existing one. With units, what you can do either in each video or as a separate section of that unit or in files directly, You can be adding digital or even physical products as an offer to what you're talking about. If it's appropriate and it solves the problem you covered in that video and it's the next step, then you can go ahead and actually offer that product or service with the training. What I would do is actually put more value to the training, meaning give them another free piece of content, and I would take them off Facebook group platform and actually put people on my email list, send them to my website, send them to my freebies. Last tip with units: when you have your group of, let's say, videos in your unit, there's multiple of them, and you upload a new one, it's not gonna be at the bottom of the unit as, let's say, the fourth part. It's going to be the first video in the line. So you will have to change the order. And the latest one that was uploaded actually moved down the list. So when people click on the unit section, they see it in order. They will still see it in their feed as the latest upload, the latest piece of content that you have created, but in the units, it will not be in the right order. So make sure you check those if there is some kind of order that you want to really keep there, okay? Events, something that has always worked. Create an event inside your group. You don't have to do a separate one, outside one, do one inside your group and start promoting it. Make sure that whatever you will do during that event, it will be a live video. You can do even a pre-recorded one. You can go with the best possible way, which is a webinar, practically a training stocked with value, where you're gonna offer something at the end and start promoting it 3-5 days earlier and put as many people in as possible. Put them in your group, make them sign up for your event. And I would go live with webinar. That's gonna give you the highest conversion. And if you were doing everything right in your group up to that point, it's gonna sell itself. I'm gonna do a specific training on how to create webinars fast so they convert. I'm gonna give you a formula for the highest conversion. I have actually very specific method that I have learned to entire marketing sales process, but I'm gonna keep that for my paid membership in the future, because that's gonna cover a lot of trainings, and it's gonna be like a whole academy. So the formula for webinars is coming up. I'm definitely gonna create that training for you as well. So events that you can promote in advance to get people in, be there live with you. Something that I would, because that's directly understood as something where you will actually promote something, where you will be offering product or service or coaching session, whatever that you want to offer. So that's something I would go with definitely if you want to promote something. Fourth type of content are pre-launches. I would give an opportunity to your community, to your tribe, people that actually are with you and engaged in your community. I would give them a chance to be the first one, not anyone else. It's VIP treatment. Give them an opportunity to actually see the content first, to see the product first, ebook, training, even a product, whatever that you have. Give them an opportunity to be first. Do your pre-launch in your group. If you have any type of presentation, I would give your audience in your group the copy first, because that builds the trust, that builds the VIP treatment of your tribe. So the moment you actually upsell something paid, they already know the value, they are treated well. They are your tribe, and those are people that will buy first from you. And with that being said, fifth type of content is anything that builds the know, like, and trust factor with you, the rapport, anything that is personal. I wouldn't really, even though value-based content is very important, don't keep it only on that level. Still entertain empower and make people feel like they're part of that community. They're in the family environment and they know who you are. They know the value that you're providing, but at the same time, they know who you are as a person. As with your personal profile, maybe even business page, these type of posts get the highest engagement. People love them probably the most. And that's where they relate the most. You being vulnerable and showing something from behind the scenes will help you really to have that emotional trigger, because people buy based on emotions. And if you put everything in that place at the right time, that's exactly where the magic happens. So those are the 5 types of content that convert for your promotions in Facebook group. It's pin post, units, events, VIP content and launches for your group first, and personal posts where people relate and where people buy based on emotions. It's immediate response. What I'm also going to link to this video is how to create curiosity posts that convert. So it can help you. You can trigger that curiosity and actually ask for more. The audience will ask you for more. So I'm linking that training to this video as well. And if you have any questions regarding Facebook groups, content, how to grow it, engagement, any hacks or tricks that you need to show, put them down below, and I'm looking forward to talking to you in next video.